Good good morning, everyone. We are in Ellsworth Ranch here in Queen Creek, Arizona. All right, we are checking out the new community going up out here. It's Taylor Morrison, right? And we're going to look at the Cambridge. So let's go on in and check it out. So we got this beautiful entryway here. Some nice artwork. Come in to your right. Big laundry room. Right, and you gotta have a second fridge. That's a must. This side of the room, you got 2 bedrooms, bathroom, the 3rd bedroom has its own ensuite, a little walk-in closet, perfect for guests. If you got an older child who needs their own space, this is perfect. Office space, living room, kitchen, nice eat-in area. Check out the backyard. You got some great views here, that's for sure. So this is what you could do in the backyard. There's plenty of room for a pool if you wanted one. Let's go check out the master, or the main bedroom, I should say. When you come into the main bedroom, when you first come in, the bathroom's on your right. You get the big car wash, shower, walk-in closet, and the main bedroom. Again, with those amazing views. All right, if you'd like some more information on this model or want to see any others, feel free to give me a shout and we'll go check them out. Thanks, have a great day.